Hello again, this is Dr. Andrew Schafer, chiropractor in Kentwood, Michigan, greater Grand Rapids area. And this is yet again another progression of the core exercise, wall punching. 2 weeks ago we did wall punch, last week we did the elastic band punch, and today we're going to progress it to the Sphinx valley to mountain. And you'll see what that means in just a second. This progression is kind of necessary because it moves from using just a couple pounds of resistance from the other two. The elastic band, maybe 5 pounds, I don't know, not much, but we're going to lift your body weight for this one. So this is a good one. Body weight exercises always are better in the long run rather than elastic band, in my humble opinion. So this is also a good one if you want to either do a plank, do it correctly, or if you've been doing planks before and you're not sure you have been doing them correctly. This is a good way to regress a little bit, work on your form, and then eventually progress again once you've mastered it. So go ahead, lay down on your belly, on the floor. For this one, you'll be in this Sphinx position on your forearms, and kind of the hands in the praying position. You'll be looking at your hands because to do so will keep your head in a nice neutral position. This neutral position meaning not here, not here, but something in between, kind of non-specific. From there, the cue, valley to mountain, is what I want you to think about. So the two scapula are on one plane, the two upper back, the shoulder blades are on one plane, and for most people in between those two shoulder blades, the thoracic spine dips down a little bit. Now I know you can't see that part, but that's okay, you don't have to. Once your arms are in the right position, and once your head is looking at your neutral and your nose is kind of pointing at your hands here, keeping your head in the same position, lift up that valley that's in between the shoulder blades, lift that valley up into a mountain. Hold and take 3 breaths. And relax. So like with every other exercise we do for core, for this breathing pattern that I like to use, 3 breaths, come out of the pattern, repeat 5 times, and that's it. So again, try to avoid achieving the motion here because your body is going to want to cheat by dropping the head. So try to avoid that. And people oftentimes ask me, well, should my butt be coming up? No, it can come up a little bit, but the motion is not about bringing the butt up. So if you have a very inflexible spine, some of us do, the butt might come up a little bit, but when I do this, my belly comes up off of the table, my hips and pelvis stay pretty much on the table. That's ideal. If you have a really big belly, your belly might not pop up, but that's okay. As long as you're getting that same motion here, holding and breathing, don't worry about that too much. So again, this exercise was called Sphinx, Valley to Mountain, and I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.